Hey guys, my name is Jonathan. Today is December 12th. Right now it's roughly about 4:15 p.m. Today I'll be installing my spoiler, the duck lip spoiler on my Honda S2000. As you can see in the back, oh man, everything's flying away. So quickly show you guys the type of car. And I actually got this from eBay. If you guys seen these before. This is the OEM Honda S2000 spoiler. It fit for all version AP1 and AP2. So right now, when you buy it on eBay, it actually comes with the spoiler, the color that you want, and then it also comes with the double-sided tape. So I'm actually just putting on the tape at this moment, just right now, and then I'm just going along the sting right here, seam line on the side. I'm sure you guys all know how to do this, and you don't really need to watch me doing all these. Oh man, I'm going too fast. I gotta slow it down. Okay. So I'm just going along the line. And obviously today is not a good day to do it because it actually rains outside right now. The best time to do it is probably doing like sunny day, because these double-sided tape, you really want it to have a hot day where it can easily bond with the spoiler itself. Yeah. Okay, let me get that. Thanks. Okay, so I'm just cutting it right now. Oh, perfect. So just give you guys an image of it. I just did the top strip right here, like that. So I still got to go around the bottom edges and then put it on. You could pause the video and I'll show you guys when I finish. Hey guys, so I want to quickly show you guys I already finished putting on the double-sided tape. You want to quickly zoom it down, take a look. So I got double-sided tape on both sides. I should quickly mention that this brand is called ducktail. I don't know what that brand is. So I got the double-sided tape at the edge. I did keep a gap between, if you guys could see. I didn't put it all the way at the edge. And then I kind of loose up the double-sided tape a little bit at the edge. Later I'm going to use that to pull it down. And I gotta grab some of these out too. So like I did say, it's good if you do it on half day. I already cleaned the surface area already. And I'm going to slowly place this on the bottom. Make sure you keep these edges out because you need these to pull. Okay, so I got this right earlier. Put my finger on the side, try and go all the way down. Where's the edge? I'm just trying to get to completely at the edge of the trunk. You could go from the side. Angle. So at this moment, I haven't pushed it down yet. It's just lightly sitting on top of the hood. Take some time, guys, because I just want to get to all the detail. Okay, detail matter a lot. You want to go from the side and all back. pause it. Let me finish this up and then. Alright guys, I already got this alignment going. And I just push down on it, pull up the double-sided tape. Oh, pause it. Hey guys, I'm just removing this. There's a lot of glitches going on while I was doing this, but anyway, it's meant to happen. And as you can see, it's raining right now. I'm actually pulling the strip right now from the bottom, top. Oh man, there's a glitch all the time. I can't pull this one out. Bottom right here, because it's holding on so tight. You gotta find a way to do it. This one was from the top. Alright, now we just need to get the bottom one, which I do not want this thing to come off. I knew it. Okay guys, I just finished doing this. Just want to quickly show you guys the detail behind. I know it's raining. It's actually not a good day to do it. I should do it during the dry, sunny day. But anyway, it is what it is. Yeah, that's about it. So hope you guys like the video. If you have any question, leave a comments. Like I got this from eBay, $79.99 I think, 80 bucks with the free shipping, and then came within like a week and a half or so. It came with the 3M tape and everything. It does not have an instruction, but overall pretty good. They actually match with the color of your car, so send in your paint code and then they'll actually give you the exact one. Alright guys, bye.